Whales have specialized structures called vocal sacs. They push air through these sacs, creating their melodic calls. Whale songs serve various purposes. They are for navigation, attracting mates, and signaling danger. Sometimes, they sing together, forming a beautiful underwater symphony. For example, the humpback whale has intricate songs lasting for hours. Each season, they create new melodies, showcasing their creativity. In summary, whale songs are essential to their lives. They communicate, navigate, and even entertain. Curious to hear these magical sounds? Listen to a whale song today.